Route all SoftStart wires into electrical box. Step 1. Follow red compressor wire from compressor to T1 terminal on contactor block. Disconnect red wire from block. Cut off I-ring. Crimp female connector on end and connect it to blue SoftStart wire. Tape connection. Step 2. Connect black SoftStart wire onto the T1 terminal that the red compressor wire was on. Step 3. Connect yellow SoftStart wire onto a terminal next to orange compressor wire on HERM terminal of Run Capacitor. Step 4. If you see a second red wire on the HERM terminal next to the red-black compressor wire, disconnect the second red wire from the HERM terminal. Tape the end and drop it. Step 5. Follow black-blue compressor wire from the compressor to the T2 terminal on the contactor block. Disconnect black-blue compressor wire, cut off I-ring, crimp female connector on end, and connect it to brown SoftStart wire. Tape connection. Step 6. Connect red SoftStart wire onto the T2 terminal that the black-blue compressor wire was on. Secure all wires. Tape connections with electrical tape. Turn power and AC breaker on. Turn AC to auto cool setting and set the thermostat to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at SoftStart LED lights. Run LED 1 light should be on. Green light means the compressor is running. There may be a full 3-minute delay before green light comes on. If there is no green light after 4 minutes, call SoftStart Tech Support for assistance. After establishing green light operation, reinstall all AC covers. Turn AC on, set near to outdoor temperature, and run for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, operate AC normally.